Are you looking to add a touch of personalization and creativity to your projects? Look no further than the Patchmaker Tools, a versatile collection of resources designed to help you create custom patches, badges, and emblems with ease. With its user-friendly interface and extensive library of elements, the Patchmaker Tools empowers designers, hobbyists, and businesses to unleash their creativity and add unique flair to their projects. Customizable templates. Start your patchmaking journey with ease using the Patchmaker Tools customizable templates. Choose from a variety of pre-designed templates and layouts, then personalize them with your own text, colors, and graphics to create a patch that reflects your style and brand. Extensive element library. Access a vast library of elements, including shapes, icons, borders, and fonts, to create custom patches that suit your specific needs. With endless combinations and options to choose from, the Patchmaker Tools make it easy to design patches that stand out and make a statement. Vector graphics support. Enjoy the flexibility and scalability of vector graphics with the Patchmaker Tools. Create patches in vector format, allowing you to resize and edit them without losing quality, ensuring that your patches look crisp and professional on any device or medium. Easy export options. Export your patches in various formats, including PNG, JPEG, and SVG, to suit your project requirements. Whether you're creating patches for digital designs, print materials, or embroidery, the Patchmaker Tools offer export options that make it easy to integrate your patches into any project. Seamless integration. Seamlessly integrate your custom patches into your projects with the Patchmaker Tools compatibility with popular design software such as Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Import your patches into your designs with ease, allowing you to incorporate them into posters, flyers, apparel, and more. Whether you're designing logos, branding materials, or promotional items, the Patchmaker Tools provide you with the resources you need to create custom patches that elevate your projects and leave a lasting impression. And if you ever need assistance, our dedicated customer support team is here to help you every step of the way. With prompt responses and comprehensive documentation, we're committed to ensuring your experience with the Patchmaker Tools is smooth and hassle-free. Ready to unleash your creativity and add custom patches to your projects? Visit the Patchmaker Tools website today and discover the power of personalized design with Patchmaker Tools.